folks, I have a tenor uke to show you today. This is number 826. And the back and sides are myrtle, some nice curly myrtle. This is from a tree in Portland that I milled up. I love the asymmetry of that, of course. And I love how on the back, or on the sides, the book match sides go right into the strap button there. It's got a Orford cedar top. That comes from Southwest Oregon. Looks like spruce, but sounds and feels a little different. It's got a salvaged fir neck with a myrtle stripe. And then we've got, oh sorry, that's a pistachio stripe. And then we've got some cool stripy pistachio for the rest. Kind of got some spalting in that one. And people ask me a lot about what's the difference between, Western red cedar and Orford cedar, and I have a lot of trouble putting it into words. But I have some sensory things that kind of make sense to me. Western red cedar sounds red to me. It sounds like the fall. And Orford cedar sounds green to me. It sounds like springtime. And maybe that's weird. This one's got a Santo-inspired headstock on here, and it's got a low G, and it just sounds awesome. It's very light, but feels solid, and really happy with it. So, 826. Cheers.